Microsoft Excel, Chapter 3, Blue Box 15, to use a financial function. We're going to use a financial function to determine how much the person has to make on a monthly basis when they borrow 27,500. To do this, we're going to use the payment function. So if I go to financial, I can find PMT as in the payment function. The payment function requires a number of pieces of information, namely the rate. We can see the rate, which is annualized at 4%, needs to be divided by 12. This is actually bad form, but we're going to do it the way the book has us do it and actually do the calculation in there. It would be better to actually have the periodic rate listed out on the worksheet. For the number of periods, we're going to borrow money for 2 years. So I'm going to click on the 2, and then I'm going to multiply it times 12. Again, better to have the 24 out on the worksheet, but we're going to stick with this. The present value represents the amount of money that we're borrowing, and in our case, we can see it's the 27,500. You'll notice this result comes back negative. And because it comes back negative, that's the cash flow of 27,500 coming to the borrower and 1194.19 going from the borrower. That's the point of the negative sign. But for us, what we'll do is we'll come up and click in after the equal sign and put a minus. That minus is multiplying the answer by -1, which turns a negative number into a positive number. I'm going to go ahead and hit done over here on my formula builder. And we have our financial function, which we will do many more examples of this later on in the semester if you are in my class.